Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a day in the life of a student. My name's Sophie and I take philosophy and I'm second year. I live in Lenton at the moment, off campus, so I've got to get the bus in. It's about 10:30 and I have a seminar at 11, so we better leave now and I will take you with me. So me and Caroline have just come into town and we're just here. I just need to get a few bits and bobs and I've had my 2 seminars and a bit of lunch in the Trent Cafe, so I'll update you later. I've been into town to get a few bits, went shopping, filmed some clips for my own YouTube channel, and now I'm back home. I put the washing on, as you can see there, and I'm just having a couple of snacks and watching some TV, and then I'm going to do some work this evening. So now I am having dinner and I just thought I might as well show you what I'm having. I've got Big Bang Theory on there and Holly's cooking her dinner over there. Holly, say hi.
Sorry, I was trying to think of something I could shout, but I'm not doing it.
I'm about to go on a mad rush in the ad break of Celebrity Bake Off to go and get some chocolate from Tesco's. Hey guys, I actually forgot to finish that day in the life, but I hope you enjoyed it. I actually didn't end up going to Tesco's that night because I was too tired, and as much as I wanted chocolate, I couldn't be bothered to go get it. But I hope you enjoyed it. Comment down below if you have any questions and subscribe to the uni channel. Bye!